In this video, we cover the following topics. In watercolor, line and wash is a technique that begins with a detailed drawing in ink or pencil, providing a strong structural foundation for the painting. It's a widely embraced technique in art that combines the precision and structure of ink lines with the fluidity and vibrancy of watercolor washes. When employing this method, artists usually start with ink lines to sketch out the composition, detail, and overall structure of the artwork. This ink outline serves as a scaffold upon which the colors and tones will be built after the inking. Watercolor washes are applied, infusing the piece with color, mood, and atmosphere. The intensity or darkness of these colors, often referred to as their value, is important in conveying depth, light, and shadow within the composition. By understanding and judiciously playing with relative values, artists can achieve a sense of three-dimensionality and realism, or convey particular emotions and atmospheres. This blend of structured ink lines and flowing watercolors allows for artworks that are both detailed and expressive. At its heart, the line and wash method is about balancing contrasts, the rigidity of lines against the soft diffusion of watercolor, and the monochromatic precision of ink against the vibrancy of color. This creates a visual dance of elements that can make artworks truly stand out. Begin with a light pencil sketch to define your composition. This sketch will serve as a guide, ensuring the final image stays cohesive. Using a waterproof ink, go over your sketch to create definitive, bold lines. You can play with line thickness and style, perhaps choosing to use hatching or stippling for texture and shadow. Allow the ink to fully dry before proceeding. Remove any unwanted pencil marks with a kneaded eraser. Once the ink is dry, apply a wash of watercolor over the inking. The waterproof nature of the ink will ensure your lines remain crisp and won't smudge. The color can be as vivid or as subdued as you wish, but the beauty often lies in letting the watercolors flow and mix, creating soft gradients and blends that contrast with the hard lines. The watercolor washes add atmosphere and nuance. This method strikes a balance between drawing and painting, making it a valuable technique for watercolorists who appreciate the structure of line work and the organic beauty of watercolor washes. Depending on your desired effect, you can layer additional watercolor washes to achieve depth and richness in color. Remember to allow each layer to dry before applying the next to maintain clarity and prevent muddiness. Remove any pencil marks with a kneaded eraser. Once the line work is complete, watercolor washes are layered over the lines to bring life and depth to the subject. The washes add color, mood, and value, enhancing the initial drawing while allowing the line work to remain visible. This method is ideal for subjects where clarity, precision, and defined edges are essential, such as architecture, cityscapes, or any subject with intricate details. By establishing the drawing first, line and wash allows the artist to capture all the necessary details, ensuring that the composition is grounded and organized before any color is introduced. In line and wash, the wash is secondary to the line, acting as a complement that fills in or enhances areas without overwhelming the initial sketch. This approach offers control and precision, as the line work defines boundaries, guiding where colors and values should go. It also allows for more careful color placement, as the artist already has a visual roadmap to follow. This almost provides a coloring book-style image to paint. In a subject like a house, line and wash excels in capturing architectural details like brick patterns, window frames, and roof shingles. The initial line work delineates these features, adding sharpness and clarity that would be challenging to achieve solely with watercolor. As the washes are applied, they bring in natural textures and shading, filling in the areas between the lines to create a harmonious balance between the linear and painterly elements. This approach is particularly effective for capturing realism and crisp detail, while still enjoying the fluidity and translucency of watercolor. Clarity and definition. The inked lines provide clarity, ensuring that even with the most diffuse wash, the viewer can easily discern the painting's elements. Flexibility. This method is perfect for a range of subjects, from landscapes and urban sketches to detailed portraits or abstract work. Expressiveness. Artists can vary line weight, use different types of hatching, or let watercolors bleed and merge, offering a range of expressive possibilities. Coloring page effect. This method creates a coloring book-like design that can then be painted, which is helpful for planning. Unlike wash and line, where the painting begins with loose washes and lines are added afterward, line and wash prioritizes structure from the beginning, making it an excellent choice for subjects that require a sense of order or a high level of detail. This technique gives the artist more control over the composition, which is especially beneficial for those who prefer to work with clear boundaries and well-defined edges. Line and wash is versatile and adaptable, working well for both expressive and illustrative styles. It allows the artist to maintain the energy and detail of the initial drawing. Elevate your watercolor practice with Comprehensive Watercolor, an interactive guide for learning to paint with watercolor. It offers clear instructions, hands-on exercises, a free product guide, and over 200 instructional videos. This book makes it easier than ever to learn, practice, and master the art of watercolor painting. To learn more, check out Comprehensive Watercolor. The links to purchase are in the description below. Take the guesswork out of choosing watercolor supplies. The Ultimate Watercolor Product Guide is your free resource for making confident choices. The guide includes paint sets, paintbrushes, palettes, and cool tools. This free guide accompanies the book, Comprehensive Watercolor, an interactive guide for learning to paint with watercolor. Download your free copy of the Ultimate Watercolor Product Guide today by clicking the link located in the video description below or visiting mandikins.com. Thank you for watching. Tap the archer to subscribe and the bell to be notified when I post new content. To continue your watercolor journey, click a video from one of the playlists above.